नमस्ते बच्चों, आई एम JBN Dr. Surendra Kumar Srivastava from the Department of Science under the Faculty of Education and Methodology. Today I will discuss about the projection on a line and angle between the two lines. Formula: projection of join of 2 points on a given line. If P and Q has the coordinates x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 respectively, and L, M, N are the direction cosines of line RS, then projection of PQ on RS is written as x2 minus x1 L plus y2 minus y1 M plus z2 minus z1 N. If 2 points 0, 4, 1, 2, 3, minus 1 join a line AB and 4, 5, 0 and 2x2, two other points join a line CD, then find the projection of AB on CD. For the solution, let the coordinates of A is equal to 0, 4, 1 and the coordinates of B is equal to 2, 3, minus 1. Then the direction ratios of line AB is equal to x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1 is equal to 2 minus 0, 3 minus 0, minus 1 minus 1. This is 2, minus 1 and minus 2. Let the coordinate of C is equal to 4, 5, 0 and the coordinate of D is equal to 2, 6, 2. Then distance between CD is equal to root 2 minus 4 to the whole of square plus 6 minus 5 to the whole of square plus 2 minus 0 to the whole of square is equal to root 4 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to root 3. Then direction ratio of CD is equal to x2 minus x1 upon r, y2 minus y1 upon r, z2 minus z1 upon r. This is 2 minus 4 upon 3 is equal to 6 minus 5 upon 3, 2 minus 0 upon 3. This is minus 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3. The projection of AB on CD is equal to x2 minus x1 into L plus y2 minus y1 into M plus z2 minus z1 into N. Then put the value of x2 minus x1, this is 2, and minus 2 by 3 is the value of L, plus minus 1, 1 by 3, plus minus 2 into 2 by 3. On solving, this will be minus 4 by 3, minus 1 by 3, minus 4 by 3. By taking LCM, this will be minus 4 minus 1 minus 4 whole upon 3 is equal to minus 9 upon 3 is equal to minus 3. Hence, projection of AB on CD is equal to minus 3. Now the question: so that the lines whose direction cosines are given by L plus M plus N is equal to 0 and 2mn plus 2nl minus 5lm is equal to 0 are the right angle. For the solution, given lines are L plus M plus N is equal to 0 and 2mn plus 2nl minus 5lm is equal to 0. From first, L is equal to minus of M plus N. Putting in second, this is 2mn plus 2n minus M minus N minus 5m minus M minus N is equal to 0. On solving, this will be 5m square plus 5mn minus 2n square is equal to 0. Which is the quadratic in m by n such that 5 by 2 m by n to the whole of square plus 5 by 2 m by n minus 1 is equal to 0. Let m1 upon n1 and m2 upon n2 are the roots, then m1 m2 upon n1 n2 is equal to minus 2 by 5. That is, m1 m2 upon minus 2 is equal to n1 n2 upon 5. This is equation 5a. Now again from equation A we can write m is equal to minus L minus n. So putting this value in second, this is 2n minus n minus l plus 2nl minus 5l minus l minus n is equal to 0. On solving, this will be 5l square plus 5lm minus 2n square is equal to 0, or 5 by 2 l by n to the whole of square plus 5 by 2 l by n minus 1 is equal to 0, which is quadratic in l by n. So let L1 by N1 and L2 by N2 are two roots, then L1 upon N1 into L2 upon N2 is equal to minus 2 by 5. On solving, this will be L1 upon L2 is equal to minus 2 is equal to N1 upon N2 upon 5. This is equation 5b. Now from A and B, this can be written as L1 L2 upon minus 2 is equal to M1 M2 upon minus 2 is equal to N1 N2 upon 5. Cos theta is equal to L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. This is cos theta is equal to minus 2k plus 5k. Oh, actually this question was wrong. Something after solving I see that, but okay, don't worry, I will show you the next question on same basis. Question: so that the straight line whose direction cosines given by 2l plus 2m minus n is equal to 0 and mn plus nl plus lm is equal to 0 are at right angle. For the solution, it is given that 2l plus 2m minus n is equal to 0. This is equation first. And mn plus nl plus lm is equal to 0. This is second. From first, this is 2l plus 2m is equal to n. Now putting in second, this is m in bracket 2l plus 2m plus in bracket 2l plus 2m bracket l plus lm is equal to 0. Now again, this will be 2lm plus 2m square plus 2l square plus 2ml plus lm is equal to 0. So this will be 2l square plus 5lm plus 2m square is equal to 0. Again, this can be written as l by m to the whole of square plus 5 by 2 l by m plus 1 is equal to 0, which is quadratic in l by m. So let L1 by M1 and L2 by M2 are the two roots. Then L1 upon M1 into L2 upon M2 is equal to 1. That is L1 L2 is equal to M1 M2. This is equation A. Now again from equation first, 2L is equal to n minus 2m. This is L is equal to n minus 2m whole over 2. Now putting this value of L in second, so second becomes mn plus n in bracket n minus 2m whole upon 2 plus n minus 2m whole upon 2 into m is equal to 0. That is 2mn plus n square minus 2mn plus nm minus 2m square is equal to 0. This is n square plus nm minus 2m square is equal to 0. Again, this can be written as n by m to the whole of square plus n by m minus 2 is equal to 0, which is quadratic in n by m. So we let n1 upon m1 and m2 upon m2 are the two roots. Then n1 upon m1 into n2 upon m2 is equal to minus 2 upon 1. That is n1 n2 upon minus 2 is equal to m1 m2 upon 1. This is equation B. From equation A and B, this can be written as L1 L2 upon 1 is equal to m1 m2 upon 1 is equal to n1 n2 upon minus 2. So L1 L2 upon 1 is equal to m1 m2 upon 1 is equal to n1 n2 upon minus 2 is equal to k. So L1 L2 is equal to k, m1 m2 is equal to k, and n1 n2 is equal to 2k. We know that cos theta is equal to L1 L2 plus m1 m2 plus n1 n2. This is cos theta is equal to k plus k minus 2k So cos theta is equal to 0, that implies theta is equal to pi by 2. Hence both lines will be at right angle. Now we see the next question. Prove that the lines whose direction cosines are given by AL plus BM plus CN is equal to 0 and UL square plus VM square plus WN square is equal to 0 are perpendicular if U in bracket B square plus C square plus V C square plus A square plus W A square plus B square is equal to 0, or A square V plus W plus B square U plus W plus C square U plus V is equal to 0, and parallel if A square upon U plus B square upon V plus C square upon W is equal to 0. For the solution, we have AL plus BM plus CN is equal to 0. We nominate this equation first, and UL square plus BM square plus WN square is equal to 0. This is second. From first, AL plus BM plus CN is equal to 0 and N is equal to minus of AL plus BM upon C. Now putting in second, this is UL square plus BM square plus W in bracket AL plus BM to the whole of square upon C square. This is second. So solving, this is C square L square U plus C square M square V plus W in bracket AL plus BM to the whole of square is equal to 0. Again C square L square U plus C square M square V plus WA square L square plus WB square M square plus 2AL BMW is equal to 0. Again this can be written as C square U plus WA square L square plus 2ABMWL plus WB square plus C square V M square is equal to 0. Then C square U plus WA square L by M to the whole of square plus 2B MW L by M square plus WB square plus C square V is equal to 0. Let L1 upon M1 and L2 upon M2 are the two roots, then L1 upon M1 into L2 upon M2 is equal to WB square plus C square V upon C square U plus WA square. Then L1 L2 whole upon WB square plus C square V is equal to M1 M2 upon C square U plus WA square. This is equation A. Again from first, M is equal to minus of Cn plus Al upon B. Putting in second, this is UL square plus V Cn plus Al to the whole of square upon B square plus Wn square is equal to 0. Again this can be written as UL square B square plus V C square N square plus A square L square plus 2Cn Al plus Wn square B square is equal to 0. This is UL square V square plus VC square N square plus A square L square V plus 2CNALV plus WN square V square is equal to 0. Now UB square plus A square V in bracket L square plus 2CNALV plus VC square plus WB square N square is equal to 0, or UB square plus A square V L by N to the whole of square plus 2CANV L by N plus VC square WB square is equal to 0, or UB square plus A square V L by N to the whole of square plus 2CAV L by N plus VC square plus WB square is equal to 0. Let L1 upon N1 into L2 upon N2 are the roots, then L1 N1 into L2 upon N2 is equal to VC square plus WB square upon UB square plus A square V. Then this can be written as L1 L2 upon VC square plus WB square is equal to N1 N2 upon UB square plus A square V. This is equation B. From equation A and B, L1 L2 upon WB square plus C square V is equal to M1 M2 upon C square U plus WA square is equal to N1 N2 upon B square U plus VA square. If these lines are perpendicular, then L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 is equal to 0. That is WB square plus C square V K plus C square U plus WA square K plus B square U plus VA square K is equal to 0. So WB square plus C square V plus C square U plus WA square plus C square U plus VA square is equal to 0. Now this can be written as a square in bracket W plus V plus B square in bracket U plus V W plus U plus C square U plus V is equal to 0. This is the proof of first result. If these lines are parallel, then the roots will be coincident. So B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. Then we can write 4A square B square W is equal to 4 in bracket C square U plus A square W in second bracket B square W plus C square V. A square V square W square is equal to C square U plus A square W in second bracket B square W plus C square V. This is A square V square W square is equal to C is equal to C square B square UW plus C to the power 4 UV plus A square V square W square plus A square C square WV, or this can be written as A square C square VW plus B square C square UW plus C to the power 4 UV is equal to 0. On dividing C square UVW, then A square upon U plus B square upon V plus C square upon W is equal to 0. Thank you.